Dear student, today we will revise diary. This writing skill we are going to do. So in diary entry, each and every line of the diary should be written along with the margin. In your exam, if letter writing is asked, if diary is asked, so keep this thing in your mind that each and every line should be written along with the margin. If there is a margin in your notebook, that's well and good. But if there is no margin, then you can draw it. Okay. So write down correct format for that. Write down day, date, time. Dear diary, content, that should be 100 to 120 words. Put your signature. If name is given in the question, you can put your signature with that name. But if name is not given, then ABC. Put signature of ABC like this. Okay. So this is the way to do format of diary entry. Clear? Am I clear? Now I'm going to give you one of the question related to that. First, keep one thing in your mind, that diary is not like a paragraph. So whenever you are writing a diary entry, you are not writing a paragraph. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay? Because imagine about this thing, that you are going to sleep, you are going on your bed, and before going to bed, you have planned that something is going in my mind and I have to jot down all these feelings on the piece of paper. So whatever is going in your mind, you are supposed to write down all the things in the form of a diary entry. So when you talk to yourself, you become formal? No. You speak in a very casual way when you talk to yourself. Suppose you are against somebody, or you love somebody, you are angry with somebody, or suppose you love your dad too much and he is not agree to send you on a school trip. How would you be feeling? You will be angry with your father. No doubt you love him a lot. But on those days when you are supposed to write down a diary, then you will be very much angry. You will say, I don't want to talk to my dad. I'm really angry with him. He hasn't given me permission to go with my friends. Oh my God, my all friends would be enjoying the trip, but I can't. I will be in four walls. I will be staying alone. I don't want to talk to my dad. I don't want to take food. Even I will not talk to mom. She could make him agree, but she did not try even at all. So I'm so annoyed. So this will be the tone. It doesn't mean that you don't love your parents. You love them. But when you are writing a diary, it means this piece of writing is not read by anybody. It is your personal piece of writing. And you are writing to show your love, to show your complaints, to show your anger, to show your expressions, to show your feelings. So you have to express them all in the form of a diary entry. If you hate somebody, if you love somebody, like somebody, angry with somebody, feeling so happy, feeling so worried, whatever feelings are going, you are supposed to write down in the piece of a diary entry. And whenever any piece of writing skill, any piece of diary entry is asked in your paper, put there lots of expressions. If you will be writing expressions there, then it will seem like a correct piece of writing. Otherwise, not at all. Am I clear to you? So now start writing. I'm giving you one question. Suppose you have topped all the sections of class 7. Suppose you have topped all the sections of class 7th in the final examination. In the final examination, feeling happy and excited, feeling happy and excited, you decide to write a page in your diary expressing the exuberant means very much happy. Okay, so this is the question I have provided you. Suppose you have topped all the sections of class 7. Now you are feeling utterly happy. You are so happy, immense happiness is there. You are feeling jubilant. You are feeling on cloud 9, so much happy. Drishti is asking me, Monday is a holiday, so our test will be on Tuesday. But whatever will be the information, it will be shared in WhatsApp group. Okay? It will be shared to you. Don't worry. You prepare for your test. So, if you have topped 7th class in final examination, you are feeling so happy, excited, exuberant, elated, jubilant, feeling on cloud 9, feeling on 7th sky. So you want to express your feelings. So you write down this question. I will be providing you hints. You will be writing your hints also. Then you will arrange all the ideas. But it should not seem like a paragraph. Should not seem like a story. किसी को story नहीं बताने लगे आप. किसी को paragraph नहीं बता रहे आप. किसी को paragraph नहीं सुना रहे ना story बता रहे हो. You are expressing your feelings. That how are you feeling? Okay, how do you feel after winning? Clear? So you write down this question. Now start framing ideas, rough ideas on your notebooks also. We will be discussing it. We will be discussing all these ideas. Hurry up. So today is the Today is the most important day. Don't write on hello, how are you? This thing to your diary. Diary in 7th class, you are not supposed to write down such kind of lines. Why most important day? Tell the reason. Stood first. Then I'm providing you a hint. I can't express in words. Feeling on cloud 9. What is the meaning of feeling on cloud 9? It means, yes, overwhelmed. Had always dreamt to stand first. Finally, they became true. Finally, they became true. Then, any hint you also provide me? Now, what is happening around you? Yes, everyone. Everyone means mom, dad, brother, sister, teacher, friends. Everyone is congratulating. Everyone is congratulating. Yes. Feeling on 7th sky. 7th sky. You can write down top of the world. So feeling on 7th sky, or you can write down feeling on top of the world. Any another hint that comes in your mind? Tell me. Now here you have told the reason that this is the important day for you. After that you have told that you are not able to express in words. You have told about your feelings. After that you have told that everybody is congratulating. Then you have again told that you are feeling on 7th sky. Now which line you can add in this? That to whom you want to give this credit. Clear? You can write down this thing in your personal diary or not. If you have topped in all the sections, you are feeling utterly happy. You are so happy. So how will you give credit? To whom will you give credit? Yes, teachers, your parents. Okay. So to whom you want to give credit? So you write down, I want to be grateful. Grateful means thankful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Yes, tell me. I'm so grateful to my teachers and parents. Why so? What did they do? They guided you, supported you, supported you, encouraged. They guided you, they supported you, they encouraged. Yes, tell me. Don't sit blank mind in my class. Don't be a passive listener. It doesn't mean that writing skill, I will be speaking and you will be passive listener and you will be only listening and writing. You tell about your ideas. I have given you plenty of ideas. Bachche, you also participate. कोई idea mind में नहीं आ रहा. Not even a single idea is occurring in your mind. Suppose you have topped and you are planning to write down a diary entry. क्या लिखोगे? What will you write down? कुछ तो आइडिया माइंड में लेके आओ. सो गाइडेड सपोर्ट एनकरेजमेंट उधर आ गया. उसके बाद अब सपोज करो आपको अपनी लाइफ में कोई अचीवमेंट मिली है, उसके बाद फादर मदर में से फादर क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले? और कुछ आपको गिफ्ट वगैरह मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता? Yes, they celebrate, they give you present, they give you any gift. Okay, so father planned to give me my favorite, whatever, any bicycle you can write down, any gadget, electronic you can write down, favorite this to me for this achievement. You can write down anything of your favorite. Your father has planned to give you this as a gift on your achievement. And suppose you were expecting something and your father has planned to give you that thing. How would you feel? You would be dying to see that. So I am dying to see this. Dying to see this, it means I am super excited. I'm very much eager. I'm very eager. I'm very excited to see that gift. Okay. So is there anyone to whom you can say thank? Above all, passive listeners are sitting. Passive listeners, tell me. Above all, I am thankful to that great. अभी मेरे माइंड में आया. लाइफ में एक अच्छे रैंक पे पहुंच गए. You have achieved something. You have said thank you to father, to mother, to teacher. कोई और है जिसको थैंक यू बोलना है? हाँ, थैंक गॉड, माइंड में आ गया. Above all, I am thankful to that great Almighty. I am grateful to that Almighty for giving me this great, or for blessing me with this great success. Not giving, for blessing me with this great success, or you can write down achievement. Now at last, what will be the last line? What will be the last line of your diary? Okay, bye bye. Mother is sleeping. I'm sleepy, feeling sleepy. Mother is calling. Don't write down such rubbish lines. Grow up. These lines are written by 5th class students. Now you are grown up. You are in 7th class. जब इस तरह के excited diary लिखोगे, बाद में लिखोगे I'm feeling sleepy, I'm going to sleep, mother is calling me, then you will score 4 marks out of 7. I will be giving you 4 according to 5th class level. So at last, when you have achieved such a big target, such a big achievement, you have given thanks to everybody. You have given, you are so grateful to God also. Last में क्या लिखना चाहिए? हाँ, मैं लास्ट लाइन बोल रही हूँ. लास्ट में कैसे एंड अप कैसे करोगे? 7th में पोजीशन आ गई, 8, 9, 10 में गैजेट से खेलोगे जो पापा ने लेके दिया है? Yes, I will try my try my best to maintain this achievement, or I would try to score positions in next classes also, in 8th, 9th, 10th, and so on also. Now this is the mission, this is the target of my life, to score good marks and score position in my next classes also. Thanks, or you can say, put your signature. I will do a lot of hard work. I would maintain this position in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and so on. And I know I can do it. Write down encouraging lines for yourself. Write down encouraging lines for yourself. I would maintain it in class 8, 9, and 10, 8, 9, 10th, and so on. Okay, I know I can do it. Then put your signature like this. So this is the end of your diary. It should have near about 100 to 120 words only. Clear? Yes. You'll be writing full date. No abbreviations, no short forms. It is not August, it is August. August. Speak. Yes. So start writing about this. Start writing about this. Okay, bye. Now I'm going to Gurudwara. ये रात को 9 बजे गुरुद्वारे जाना है? हाँ, Jalashveer. We are going to temple. I'm going to Gurudwara. We are going to temple to thank God. रात को 9 बजे डायरी लिख रहे हो? 9 बजे टेम्पल्स बंद हो जाते हैं. So बच्चे, I'm getting aside. Jot down all these points. Frame your diary entry. Start writing. Write down near about 100 to 120 words, and I can ask any of the child. Hurry up! I'm giving you 2 minutes to write down. I'm giving you 2 minutes to write down. Then I will give a chance to you to speak whatever you have written. All of you have to show me your notebooks. So get ready with that. I can ask any of the child to show me the notebooks. Hurry up. Hurry up. Who is ready with this letter? Raise your hand. Who is ready with this letter? Sorry, with this diary? Okay, Jasleen and Guneet both have written. What about others? Okay, Jasleen, show me your face. Jasleen. Now read.
Yes, ma'am. It's the most joyous day. I stood first in my final examinations. I can't tell how overwhelmed I am today. Everyone was congratulating me, and I felt like I was on the seventh sky. I'm really grateful to my parents and teachers, but most of all, I am proud of myself also today. My dad has planned to give me a present for this achievement. Above all, I would thank the Almighty for, for everything He has given me. I will try my best to do even better in the upcoming days. And it's a long way.
Okay. Okay, tried well. Now, Drishti, you speak. Drishti,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Today is the most important day. I stood first position in my final examination. I can't express in words that how much I am happy. I am feeling on cloud nine. Everyone is congratulating me. I am on the top of the world. I want to give this credit to my teachers and parents who always supported me and encouraged me that never to give up. I'm not believing that this day comes very soon. My father also planned a surprise for me. I am very curious to see that surprise. My mother makes my favorite dishes and they are proud of me. I also be thankful to great Almighty for blessing me this. I would maintain this in class 8th, 9th and so on, and I will try my best to achieve this target. And I know that I can do it very well.
okay, good. Well done. Now, Sanya, you read. Nice, bache. Keep it up. Okay, Sanya, you show me your face. Okay, Sanya, start reading.
My dream come true. I don't know if I would be able to express my feelings by words or not. Today, I got my result, and what just happened was a miracle for me. I stood first not only in my section but all the sections of 7th. I am very happy. Yes, I know that all the credit does not go to me. My whole family, teachers contributed too. The aroma of happiness is all around the house. I am very happy and feeling at the top of the world. All thanks to God for writing this experience in my faith. I will try to achieve all this achievement further also.
Okay, you have written. Okay, now Arshia. Arshia is going to read.
Do you remember? Do you remember how tensed I was to give my offline exams? You will be surprised to know that I have topped in the entire 7th section. Oh my God, I feel like I'm on the top of the world. I really didn't expect this outcome. I feel so grateful to my parents and teachers for encouraging me and supporting me to walk on the right track. Everyone is congratulating me on this great achievement. My sisters and parents are just as overwhelmed as I am. Moreover, my parents are planning to adopt a dog for which I was requesting them to. I am dying to see that adorable puppy. Above all, I am grateful to the Almighty for blessing me with this precious achievement. I am now dedicated to pass all my next classes with this spirit and maintain my position. I believe in myself and I know I can do it.
Yes, very good. You have written so well. So all these students have followed all the guidelines which I have discussed in class. That is really, now I can ask this answer from any of the child. All of you start showing me your notebooks on the screen. Offline students, show me your notebooks. Show me your notebooks. What have you written? Okay, now online students, Sanya, very good. Drishti, Guneet. What about others? They haven't written? Yes, Akshita. What about others? Show me your diary entry. What have you written? बच्चे, what is discussed in class you are supposed to write down. Yes, Jasleen, good. Aryan, Kareer, show me your notebook. Otherwise, I will mark you absent. Aryan, Mitul, Rudar, Ridhima, Jasleen, Himanshi, Rihanika. Very good. Show me your notebooks. Yes, Jalash, I have seen your notebook. Others also show me. Rihanika and Himanshi, Mitul and Aryan, Vaibhav, Akshit, Anmol Singh. You will write down this diary entry. You will be sending me pic on WhatsApp. Otherwise, I will mark you absent. Choice and decision is yours. The names I have announced. Those who haven't shown me, Mitul, Anmol, Himanshi, Rudar, Akshit, Aryan, Kareer, and Vaibhav. These students will send me their notebooks if they are not able to show me. Yes, Mitul, I have seen your. Others who are left. Okay, now from offline class, you come and read whatever you have written. Hurry up. Read here, what have you written? Have you written your viewpoints? You have written your viewpoints? Come here and read. Stand here. Yeah.
Today is the most important day because I stood first in the class in offline papers. I cannot express my words. I cannot express my words in the diary. When I am feeling on the cloud nine, finally the day becomes true. Everyone is congratulating me.
Everyone is congratulating me. Everyone is congratulating me.
I want to grateful to the teacher and parents to God also. They supported and encouraged me. My father planned a party tonight and give me a favorite gadget.
So, bache, whenever any kind of diary entry is asked in your paper, write down correct format. Whatever the ideas which occur in your mind, write down all the ideas in rough. Arrange all the ideas in a proper way. What to be written in the beginning, what to be written after that. Arrange all the ideas in a systematic order. As we have done this today diary entry, we have arranged the ideas. That first feelings are described, then reason is described, then to whom he is thankful, this thing is described, okay, to whom he wants to give credit, this thing, okay. After that, surrounding, what kind of environment in the surrounding, okay, and then in future what he wants to do. So all the ideas should be properly arranged. So this is the way to do diary entry. You do this practice, okay.